Hello everyone, this is Amazon from Japan Homes. I'm an architectural designer and going to introduce our Japan Homes finishing selections. Since Japan Homes was established in 2008, we have researched what are the best fittings and finishing details for our clients' home in terms of their quality, functionality, cost, work, and installation time, availability, warranty, and impact on the environment. And finally, confirmed our best selections in 2017. Building a house is one of the biggest purchases in your life. We are thinking ahead 100 years, so our mission is to provide our clients comfortable and affordable homes with sustainable and quality items. Let me introduce our selections today. Our kitchen is all customized with functional layouts and reliable brand items. Layout will be either I-shape, L-shape, G-shape, or U-shape. We will offer the best layout for your home plan and the preference. We design a kitchen considering moving line and the maximum capacity of storage. For your everyday use, we consider how comfortable to use and how easy to maintain. Benchtop with granite engineered stone, 30 mm thickness. It's beautiful, highly durable, and easy to clean. Cabinets and drawers come with recessed handles and soft close function, which make closing quiet and safe. There are more than 50 of color choices for the Meltica panels. Our kitchen appliances are Bosch and Fisher & Paykel products. The reliable and high-quality appliances are easy to clean and stylish designed. Both gas and electric cooktops are available. Bathroom is one of the most frequent used areas in-house. We design a bathroom that stays fresh and tidy with minimal effort. Free tiled floor and wall for bright look and easy cleaning. Frameless glass screens for modern shower space. Shampoo recess in a shower space for bath items. Now you may notice this unique layout. Our Japanese off-road style is still rare in New Zealand, but with our standard you will have one washing space and bathtubs are next to each other, which keep you warm and provide convenience and safety, especially for kids and elderly people. Windows are provided by trusted New Zealand supplier. Superb weather tightness and strong aluminum window frame. Highest standard of double glazing for all windows to meet the latest council standard. Minimize heat loss between outside and inside to save a significant amount of energy and cost throughout of the year. The handles are double tongue, which allow a window to be slightly open for ventilation. At the same time, it is still locked. GENKAN refers to the house entrance in Japanese and is the face of a house, and very important from a feng shui point of view because it is through the main entrance that the house absorbs its main feng shui energy. Japanese entryway areas are combined of a porch and showcase. Likewise, many kiwis, the Japanese takes off shoes before entering a house. Entrance door comes with a yellow digital lock. You never need to worry about carrying around or losing keys again. Lock and unlock your home with ease using a simple keypad, touch screen, and proximity card. We care about storage volume, thinking about people who actually live in the house. For the wardrobe, lightweight and smooth open sliding doors and customized organizer bring each room more usable space. Modern style shelving system to accommodate your clothes and any type of fashion items neatly and beautifully. MDF boards with clean melamine finish for long-lasting quality with low maintenance. Our flooring products are from reliable international brands with highly skilled installers. Okiwi Bay carpet is a soft carpet with built-in stain resistance. It has also fade resistance. For the laminated timber flooring, we offer several selections to choose from. They are various colors, patterns, and grooves, water resistance, and scratch proof. We will keep improving our services for you and reflect clients' feedback and experiences on site to next project. We are looking forward to designing and building your new homes. Please check out our blogs on our website too. Thank you very much.